Hello. Welcome to File Handling by Brother and Sister. File Handling in Python. Introduction. In this heartwarming story, we join Samantha and her brother Max as they delve into the world of file handling in Python. Through Samantha's patient and enthusiastic teaching, we learn about the different functions used for creating, opening, reading, writing, and deleting files in Python. The story showcases the power of technology to bring siblings together and foster a love of learning. Let's get into it. Samantha and her brother Max were always curious about how things worked, especially when it came to technology. One evening, Samantha was studying Python when Max came over and asked what she was doing. "I'm learning about file handling in Python," Samantha explained. "It's all about how to create, open, read, write, and delete files using Python code." Max looked interested. "Can you show me how it works?" he asked. Samantha smiled and opened up her Python editor. "Sure thing. Let's start with opening a file." She typed in the following code. "Here, we're opening a file called example.txt in read mode," Samantha said, pointing to our argument in the open function. "Now we can read the contents of the file." She added the following code. "Now we're reading the contents of the file and printing them to the console," Samantha said. "Let's say we want to add some text to the file. We can use the write function like this. Here, we're opening the file in write mode, adding some new text, and closing the file," Samantha explained. Max was following along, but he had a question. "What if we want to delete the file?" Samantha nodded. "Good question. We can use the remove function to delete a file like this. Here, we're using the OS library to remove the example.txt file," Samantha said. Max grinned, impressed. "Wow, I didn't know you could do all that with Python. Thanks for showing me." Samantha ruffled his hair. "Anytime, bro. Who knows, maybe someday you'll be the one teaching me something new." The end. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Data to Info channel. And always remember, data makes you rich.